Hey everybody, right, so part 6, because the final motor has arrived from Banggood. That was extremely quick, that. Really impressed. He also sent a pack of props, which I'll show you in a minute. So this is hopefully an exact duplicate. Ooh, long wires, cool. If you want to go straight to the flight controller as an ESC, then you've got all the right wires there. I don't need them that long because I'm going to be putting them onto the ESC like so, and it's going to be all super duper there. So I just need to cut these wires, trim them and solder them on. I'm not going to bore you with that because it's just basic soldering. Just about to solder up and I just realised I had bought the wrong motor. It's supposed to be a counterclockwise motor, and as you can see it's marked clockwise. You know what, I'm pretty sure I chose CCW, but it's coming from Banggood, so that probably explains why. Not a problem, I'll just have to reverse the direction as I showed you in my last video. Okay, so that's the motor now wired in. It's that one there, and now I have to plug it all in and go into the configurator and see. It's not going to spin the right way. I'm pretty sure it's not going to, but we'll wait and see. That's going to be the next thing to do. So that's the front, so that's going to be number 2. Okay, let me get it all set up in the configurator. Now, as you know, when I buy from Banggood, I didn't sign in. I just did what they call guest shopping, so I've no idea. I can't find whether I ordered a counterclockwise or a clockwise motor. More fool me. I will in future make sure I sign in and get an account. So yeah, we'll have to just now plug this in and see what happens with it. Right, okay, so let me just split the screen so you can see what's going on. Okay, so let me just turn on motors. You understand the risk. I've got no props on, although I've got a nice set of props. And it's the number 2 motor. We need to see if it spins. Oh, that spins nicely. I need to just spin it slowly and see which way it should be spinning, anti-clockwise. Oh, that actually is spinning anti-clockwise. How bizarre. Let's spin the right way anyway. Okay, let's do a master. Let's get them all spinning. Oh, that sounds really nice. Very nice. Everything's fine. They all spin the right way, as they should do. Even though that's the wrong motor, it still spins the right way. Anyway, right, so I need to tidy a little bit of cabling. I'm going to finish fixing the ESCs down. And then I've got to wire up all of the camera cabling again and the TX wiring. We'll do that obviously off camera because you've already seen it all assembled and working, and then it should all then be ready. Just put a battery on and theoretically go and fly. But I've only got this battery, this 3S. I don't think it's going to be enough, but we'll wait and see. I will order a 4S battery, but I've got to wait a couple of days before I can order the 4S battery. But that's it. The motor's on, they're all spinning, they're all going the right way. We are getting there. And that is the quad finally put together. I will shorten these wires down, they're the VTX ones. I'm still not sure where that VTX board's going at the moment. Possibly there, but possibly at the back here. I'm not sure where to put these receiver wires either. As if I can get some imagination going, get some straws. Not everybody 3D prints, but just for now I'll put it underneath and just out through there for now. VTX aerial, and of course the camera. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to power up with the battery for the first proper time, and hopefully everything works. There we go, we've got camera working there, which is good, and camera's upside down. Ooh, stupid. Right, okay, I'm not really, I can sort that. That works, so you can go into there. So the camera's on screen. I don't have any OSD. I can't work out how OSD works. I've tried everything possible. I may have to go and ask for help on that one. But that's it. I have built my first quad. Now then, of course, does the motor start up when you click on the arm button? Well, that's an interesting point. So let's get the controller. The arm switch is here. I have set that up. Oh, software. I've found a installable version of Clean Flight, and it's here. This one doesn't use Chrome. Actually, I don't know, it's a newer version as well. So I will put all the software I've used, I'll put into a Google Drive and leave a link in the description once I've finished this video. And hopefully, fingers crossed, you can then use them. Alright, so let's go back to the desk and get the controller. I'm going to flick the arm switch. And hopefully these motors will start up. Oh, look at that. Right. Now there's a bit of a dead zone between there and there, but again, small problems I can get sorted. But look, going to put props on this. I might even try it with this battery, you know, until I get one. I'm going to get some Velcro as well. But that's it. I have built my first FPV quad. I feel really good. I really do. Look, you can see the display there is working. You can see the camera. I just need to turn the camera on. As I said, that's it. I am so excited. I can't wait. Oh, sorry. Did I do something? Oh, I see. Hang on. Oh, yes. If you tilt it, it shows that the accelerometer is working fine. Yes, I'm going to get out to fly this as soon as I can. I will try this battery. I may not get a lot of flight time out of it. It may crash. But I'm going to get it out. First thing, of course, I've got to do is propellers. Now, I got a set of propellers somewhere. There we go. I got them with the motor. Let's have a look at them. Pull them out. There we go. Some nice, clean, glass-coloured ones. Which are going to sit on there. I can't remember which way the motors went. A bit more Google work. But hopefully, in video 7, you will see this actually flying in the air on its own, working. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell notice so that you know when I've uploaded video 7, because that will be the one that we're all waiting for, is to actually see whether or not this self-built, by me, self-built quad actually works. So join me in part 7. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. It may do something, you never know. And I will see you in part 7.